How to see transactions on Cash App tutorial. To view your transactions on Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the Activity tab, which is located at the bottom of the screen and represented by a clock icon. This will take you to a list of all your recent transactions, including payments you have sent and received. You can scroll through this list to view each transaction, which will show the date, amount, and description of the transaction. To view more details about a specific transaction, tap on the transaction in the list. This will take you to a detailed view of the transaction, which includes the date, amount, and any notes or descriptions that were added to the transaction. If you need to view older transactions, you can use the search function at the top of the Activity tab to search for specific transactions by date or amount. You can also use the filter function to narrow down the list of transactions by type, such as payments sent or received. In addition to viewing your transactions in the app, you can also export your transaction history to a CSV file, which can be useful for tracking your expenses or income. To do this, go to the Activity tab and tap on the Export button at the top of the screen. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage your transactions on Cash App. It is a good idea to regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all transactions are accurate and authorized. This can help you catch any errors or unauthorized activity and prevent potential financial losses. It is also a good idea to use the security features offered by Cash App, such as two-factor authentication and encryption, to protect your account and transactions from unauthorized access. By taking these steps, you can help ensure the security and integrity of your transactions on Cash App.